Like 5 minutes? We're good then. Just pretty much a walk on.
Can you come here?
Yeah, nothing really thrilling about these things. It is kind of interesting scenery, so it's wet. Usually people ride these in a really hot day so they can cool off.
So, are you saying that they should warm the waters during the winter months?
Well, that's why nobody's riding this thing right now. But the theming is good. You can see the line. It's actually really good theming.
Yeah, this is hard to beat. Oh. I've got my jacket pocket if you need something. Just you.
We're going to go to an ancient temple.
Oh, the lighting.
Yeah, we're at magic hour.
Oh man.
Oh, you want your camera? You're wanting your camera?
I want to win the lotto and I want time.
You want time to take pictures here?
Yeah.
Yeah, Disney was wonderful for pictures. I mean, it's a photographer's, paradise sort of. The lighting, the sets. So many interesting shots you could get in these places, like all this. Hey, look at that!
Hello Kitty.
The shrine for Hello Kitty. Oh, look! Look.
Expeditions. We hope your journey will show you a world
We're for
of
the Kelly Rapid Expedition.
Alright. Oh, it's done. We're like,
There is no wait here.
it's made for longer lines.
It's usually like hours wait because of on a super hot day that's super popular.
Dark setting?
No, just normal. We'll see. Hey, 3.
All of them are at 19.
19. Oh, we're gonna all fit in. This is gonna be interesting.
Are you gonna get in on time?
Alright, we've got 3.
One more bag. Oh yeah, these guys, and then 3 of us. So these sit from the brown bag up to this gray bag.
We're trying here. We're gonna see who's unlucky. Alright, I'm trying to at least keep my shoes dry.
I thought somebody really wanted to do this.
You guys stay walking.
We're gonna get soggy. I'm keeping these up. They splash all here over your head and all to the side.
Hello, my friends. Make sure your expedition is a safe one.
Maybe.
But John, that'll moisturize your legs.
I don't want my legs to be moisturized. I'm okay. It's like Russian roulette. You don't know who's going to get the one that dips into the water.
Right, yeah, because we're all...
It rotates, and then one that aims down is going to get wet.
Yeah.
Looks like the luck of the draw. Usually the heavier cycles come first. We're doomed.
Might get lucky, might get lucky. There, I think I'm going to get some...
We'll see.
I've been on this ride, I don't know.
I've been on a couple of these temple rides before, yeah. Oh, really? Oh, so okay, so you have to do it. At least once. The very first one that was built was in Houston, and afterwards.
Alright, I'm putting it back in because I want to ask. My jacket.
At least the corner off the waterfall, you don't go into it. At least you don't go into the waterfall. Certain restaurants, they push you to go into the waterfall. Yeah, everybody just gets drenched. So, you're going to see what bad logging practices are. The stripping of the rainforest is part of the theming of it. Yeah, as they're screaming for your life because you got a guy's house. See? Good forest good. Gotcha. Bad logging practice. Gonna be cold. See, this is the devastation for the loggers. Logging truck.
We're keeping feet wet.
I know, we're gonna keep feet dry.
Feet up.
Feet up.
Our luck, though, that's where the water's going to go and we're all going to get them wet.
No, we're kind of heavy right now. Oh no. I don't know. Oh no.
I'm getting wet.
No, it's gonna split on the way down.
I don't know.
It's like Russian roulette. You're gonna set the pace.
Look at that drop.
Is it all right. Folks. That was pretty wet. yeah. We're gonna be cold.
Do they have towels at the end of this?
No, at the gift shop. You can get a towel at the gift shop.
That caught me fresh.
Oh, that was the biggest one in front of this one. Oh God.
Oh no, just above us.
Okay. Oh, wonderful. If you weren't wet yet, they're going to get you one more time. One more? Oh no, I think that's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, we're done.
Oh, man.
Well, we're definitely sucked.
Un guia le dirà quando chiude finire.
So what's not wet?
Oh, stupid elephant. I don't like the elephant.
Welcome back, my friends. Please remain seated with your seatbelts tightened.
That's right, they might be shooting us over there.
Expedition guide will let you know when you will be exit. Get out of your rafting onto the platform. Be sure you have all your gear. You'll need it for your mission. Thank you. Bienvenidos nuevamente, mis amigos. Permanezcan sentados con los cinturones de seguridad apretados.
Well, we got ourselves.
You know how they have those light airplanes that dry you off at night?
They have a table
You need like a full body.
They do have those.
You need it here.
They have one on the exit. $5, I think.
Pay to try on.
Yes.
Welcome back, my friends. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened with your hands inside the rack. An expedition guide will let you know when your group may exit. Please step carefully out of your raft and onto the platform. Be sure you have
I don't remember it being this way before.
your next adventure.
Well, first, the last time I rode this, I was all by myself. And the boat wasn't weighed down like this. There's got too many people on the boat today. I wanted to the full wetness of this ride. Yeah, it's always better to ride this at the end. You still got 2 rides to go, but I pity the people that ride after us because the seats are going to be crowded. Are you going to do it? Not yet. Wait, show it.
Exit here.
All right.
I'm 10 pounds heavier because of the water.
All right, and that's why it was only 5 minutes.
I feel bad for everyone. You have the problem too, John. You don't have any. Your shirt. I have a jacket inside of this garage.
No, I'm soaked all the way down.
I know. I can see it.
I know what clothing looks like. Supposed to be a quick dry shirt. We'll see.
Your shirt just went from dry burnt orange to medium.
Yeah.
Orange.
Okay. Well, you experienced your river rapids right now.